Ashwagandha actually do? It's a lot more than you probably think. What makes ashwagandha so special is that unlike a lot of supplements meant to do one thing, it seems to do a lot of different things. And it's able to do this by being really good at one specific job, lowering the body's main stress hormone, cortisol. And not just by a little bit either, like as much or more than prescription drugs. When researchers split subjects into different groups, giving one ashwagandha and the other a placebo, the group taking ashwagandha's cortisol levels dropped by up to 67%. For reference, the strongest prescription drug doctors use to suppress cortisol lowers it by roughly 50 to 70%. And reducing this stress hormone so well is why ashwagandha has been shown to significantly lower stress and anxiety, improve sleep quality, boost mood and focus, and even increase strength, muscle mass, and testosterone levels in research. Okay, so this all sounds great, but there's one big problem with it. Cortisol isn't always a bad thing. It's the reason you wake up every morning. It regulates your metabolism, gives you energy, focus.
Ashwagandha. This is an extremely powerful supplement. Most supplements and superfoods you have to take for a couple days, couple weeks before you feel. This you feel the same day you take it. Instantly reduces stress, cortisol, helps you with sleep, actually gives you a lot of energy. It helps with relaxation, low cortisol, you're feeling very chill, and cognitive and focus. And for men too, it boosts testosterone as well. Been shown in lab settings. Now, there is a word of caution. I find that if I take 4 capsules, I feel numbed out. Things aren't as funny. Sure, I have very low stress, but I also don't feel the joys of life. So I stick to 2 capsules a day. Anything above that, I feel numbed out. If you guys are interested in ordering ashwagandha, free shipping on our website, highest grade that I could find, best quality, USA made. Just click the link in our bio and you'll be able to find our ashwagandha. Best quality, USA made, free shipping.